Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Hollis M3 Mask. Now I actually used to dive in one of these. It's a very comfortable mask. The main sort of selling point is in the special glass lens that I'll talk about in a second. It's a framed mask with a very sort of clear lens. It's sort of Saint Gobian ultra clear glass, and basically, you know, when you look at a glass table, you look at the edge, it's kind of that bluey green coloration. So the blue green comes from all of the impurities in that glass. You can't quite see it going straight through, but then when you look at the edge of this glass, it's actually sort of colorless, so much fewer impurities, which allows for a greater light transmission straight through it. So actually, you're seeing it a lot clearer and actual truer colors. So this is a framed mask, as I said, but the buckle itself attaches onto the frame, but has a really nice sort of hinge, and it's a two-way hinge as well, so it folds down really nice and flat, but it hinges as well, so that mask strap kind of sits exactly where you want it to. Micro adjustment in this strap, so very quick and easy to adjust it. Lift on this little tab just to loosen the strap. And then the strap itself is kind of a matte silicone, so it's less sort of tangly. It doesn't really grab sort of your hair, especially up in those buckles. But it does seal because it's got these two sort of rounded sections, so it does grab the back of your head and kind of hold itself in position. The Hollis logo, that acts as a little bit of a tab, so you can adjust it quite easily. On the inside of the mask, so we have two skirts on the inside. So we have this internal skirt and this external skirt, and they create a very wide sort of seal that goes all the way around your face, and that creates that big sealing section, keeping the air in and keeping the water out. Okay, the other thing that we should say about the Hollis M3 is that it comes with this sort of GoPro style mount. So this can be sort of attached onto that bridge of the mask. You kind of clamp it down just with an Allen key, and then you can mount a sort of action camera to your mask and get that real sort of POV shot. So it's got that three style sort of GoPro style mount, so what a lot of action cameras are coming with that type of mount, so really you can attach a lot of different cameras onto that, or you can just take it off and use it as a traditional mask. It's completely up to you. So I definitely like it. It's a very smart mask. You get a decent sort of field of vision, decent sort of quality in the finish to it as well. There are no sort of nasty edges to it or anything. Yeah, as I said, I used to use it myself. It's a very smart mask. I can definitely recommend it. It's the Hollis M3 Mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.